Liam here from Gibbys Electronics Supermarket. And guys, today I am on site with Dave Van Heusen. Dave is our custom installation manager. He's the guy that takes care of your quotes, your installations, anything that you need in a commercial side of things. You've got the boardrooms, bars, restaurants, wineries, you name it, we can do it for you. So Dave, what are we doing here today?
Today we're in one of the boardrooms that we've finished where we've done audio throughout the space, we've done TVs, we've done teleconferencing at the boardroom table as well. So we've brought you here to have a look to see what it is that we do and just kind of talk about that.
So you're saying we've done TVs here, but I don't see any.
Right, so in this space we actually use the Samsung frame TVs, so that way they blend in, they look like a piece of art when any client walks in to the space, but as soon as you need the TV for the functionality of the TV, then it turns into a TV.
It's such a great idea. Like, I've known Samsung's been doing the frame for a few years now, and the fact that it's aesthetically pleasing and that actually ties into the boardroom, like the frame on the wall itself has a bezel that matches the boardroom table, it actually matches the furniture throughout the building. That is something that makes things look better and it doesn't take your eyes away from anything else. I mean, you probably had something to help with that?
Correct. We talked about what the furniture is going to be in the space, and then we picked from Samsung's various colors to make it match as best as possible.
Now, as for the speakers, you're saying that we've got in-ceiling speakers.
Correct.
And
we're using the Paradigm in-ceiling speakers. They're connected back to a Sonos amplifier, which is actually connected to the TV as well. So we can have TV sound coming through those speakers. We can have just music for background coming through those speakers as well.
Now for teleconferencing, that's something that we're starting to see really ramp up again now that like the boardrooms are open and everyone's starting to do a lot more business. What are we offering?
Yeah, with everybody working from home still and allowing for that to be in the space, we're using the Logitech conferencing system. It allows us to scale on a small boardroom all the way up to a very large boardroom with expansion microphones that can make sure that everybody sitting at the table can still hear and be heard.
Now the one thing with the Logitech, this has tracking capabilities if I'm not mistaken, right?
It does, yes. So if somebody was moving around the room, then the camera will follow that person around the room so that they're still the focus.
Another great option to have. Now that being said, guys, as always, my name's Liam. I'm here with Dave today. If you have any questions on custom installations, call the store at, and Dave here will be able to help you.